Kunal's in town, I feel like I'm on a road trip. I like this place.
This is a vlog or a feature film?
Time waits for no man. Life is but a two-step slow jam. Dancing with the devil, trying not to lose my balance. But God bless the kid with many talents. He was chosen.
Oh, sick right now? Oh no!
On Shamik Sherry vlogs. Officially.
So I tell you, Shomik's a very well-rounded guy, right? He went to all the bars you can think of. He had say like he had all the drinks you can think of. I had a bunch of beers, I had mezcals and sweet sugars and whatnot. Artsy as hell. Sahil.
Delhi Art Week. What is this?
Yeah, Tumblr boy that he is.
Tumblr was a new word, bro.
No. Tumblr boy is Shomik is a Tumblr boy.
Yeah.
Like aesthetics.
You're the OG Tumblr boy.
I am more like slightly casual than a Tumblr boy.
Slightly more casual.
Yes, I wish I were. It's a Mercedes in Italy that you put is what makes you the Tumblr boy.
What?
Yeah. What? No, he's got the charm of that.
Acha. Porsche in Italy.
Yeah, no, that's more Sahil's taste. Have you been to Bombay Dock?
My fiance has, so going by her recommendation, food and cocktail should be amazing.
I think this is a big cleaner to me. Uska mezcal ho gaya. What are you having, bro? Lime juice. Papad.
You know what this is?
It's a luncheon meat. Classic Gymkhana food. Before your time, Kunal.
Okay. I don't know when my time started or it is.
You're gonna see the thing come up.
Sounds fucking sick.
I like this a lot. I like this a lot. It's a very utilitarian.
How's Bombay Dock for you?
This is the main one.
Oh no, fucking way. Oh, you're real about it.
Safe and painless. Builds teamwork, communication.
Let's do it.
And if you're from Delhi, you're gonna fucking love this because
All our aggression.
we're currently outside Anti-Social, but we're not going there. We're going to this place called Late Checkout. Spot called Late Checkout. And it's kind of sick. High ceilings, costly house. And now this guy's got me up at like 12 o'clock over here at a fucking gym. Like, just fucking look at it. Kunal is gonna be here. Okay, we're doing step ups now. Nothing that I ever expected.
New niche fitness.
You don't expect it from this guy, and like he's just like, look at his fucking jump. They don't say hi to the vlog, Sahil.
What's happening, guys? Shetty's vlog right here. You get a lot of bloopers today. This is your blooper vlog.
This is the big production vlog, right? Like this is like as good as it gets. And we love Shomik for it. Tasteful guy, like got the big cam, got the big everything. We'll also do some no production vlogs right away. So handing you this production item of mine, which you can take.
Warm up done, brother.
Okay, warm up done.
You ready for the real
Yes,
workout
now I'm
now?
ready for the real workout. He's doing something with blocking. That's the real workout.
Yo. All my girls, they call me the V.
How's it going, boys? So far, so good.
X, got on sexy, red in the V. No show, getting a feeling. Stop putting that gent eye.
The gym is only like this. First time I came. Now I come here for networking. Don't tell sir. No, I'm kidding. I also come here for
Sip my cognac, can't talk on me. I don't make more than you and I still try to top that. I find it hard to maneuver, I'm on the M-way chasing dough. My heart can't be on my sleeve unless it comes after chrome.
Actually, do we have consent to take sushi's content?
Ask him.
Actually, will send you the invoices later.
Is that a no?
Okay, now we're done with the
we're done with the workout and like now.
Cheers, brother. Thanks for
Yeah.
good start.
Thank you, Shaunak, for the amazing
Xiaomi,
sessions.
baby. Let's go.
I think Kunal is regretting it, but it is what it is. He has to.
No, I fucking loved it, bro. And
Saw those pull-ups.
and his fucking camera team, his production team, like really killed my equipment. Like I was like,
Fuck,
"Hey,
man,
the phone
seriously,
nikal
I
ke
can't
aaya."
do that.
Only the tip to content.
Yeah, yeah.
Shoot on this, you get a million.
So
subs.
he just does fitness with you or the whole day?
Everything.
So
amazing.
why is he not in the?
He's gonna come.
just packing.
Yeah.
Acha, packing up. Acha,
Have you seen the fucking production?
Yeah, yeah.
It's a full thing.
But I've seen his fucking stuff.
Yeah,
It's good.
it's top notch. Still on call. We just got done with the workout, and so between Sahil and I were discussing. Yeah, of course I'm on mute. But between Sahil and I were discussing. Look at the guy, bro. Look at this guy.
Tell me one thing. Tomorrow the feedback is good for tomorrow night.
40-50 lakhs. Fucking drop the money.
I need a dollar, that's what I need. Hey, hey, well, I need a dollar.
Okay, is it this new Kia Carnival?
Just a quick background. I've been in this F&B business for last 18 years.
That rental क्या close up 5.5-6 में होगा?
25,000 per month.
For just the basement and ground.
Ground and basement both. So coming back, I mean,
The rent to revenue ratio, unlike other cities,
very off.
is around 20-25% in Bombay, minimum, which is a lot. I mean, if you compare Bangalore,
Even Delhi.
even Delhi. Coming back now, this is Khar, unique part. Generally in Bombay, unlike Delhi, it's a very ugly city. There is no charming properties, you know, like Lodhi or wherever you go in Delhi. $2,900 square feet roughly.
And what is the ask?
750 on carpet,
So 21 lakh.
roughly.
Plus GST.
Plus GST plus CAM.
Cam कितना है इसमें?
40-45,000 तक जाएगा. I think honestly जो आप ढूंढ रहे हो, with a nice character, good ceiling, that whole district of Kala Ghoda we'll walk you around is entirely leased by us.
Bro, 25 lakhs is 21 lakhs or 22 lakhs plus GST plus CAM. तो ये तो फिर
बहुत महंगा है.
बहुत महंगा है.
Finally at the OG
And-
Daily. Looks like we're gonna have
Definitely.
a super spot.
And I'll also see.
Well, I need a dollar, that's what I need. Hey, hey. Said I need a dollar, that's what I need. And if I share with you my story, would you share your dollar with me?
Asking is well, 11
12.
for 2,000 plus.
1,000. पूरा
कैम भी है इसके ऊपर या
CAM आएगा.
कितना?
11,50,000 plus GST, roughly.
क्लोजिंग है कैम इंक्लूडेड 11-12 लाख में क्लोज हो जाएगा प्लस जीएसटी अराउंड होम्स पीपल कैन वॉक टू इट दैट इज द वाइब आई ट्राइंग टू डू लाइक इट्स अ नेबरहुड ब्रांड बट बियॉन्ड दिस इफ वी फाइंड समथिंग ग्रेट वी कीप लुकिंग एट दिस कुड बी एन ऑप्शन फॉर अस बट वी सी आवर मैक्स
Bandra rents have become so crazy now.
we'll also relook our business plan it's not a problem
Some off property you get now, which will be like on the market when you used to get it that
keep
price.
us posted
हो जाएगा.
You'll see a lot of common friends of ours.
see you have a good day Chirag
So Sahil Marwan and Chris Williamson quoted the same thing. Both of them
2
said after 2 a.m. there's nothing good that happens in the club. It's so much like it's desperate energy and like you're going nowhere, man. On that, come back home and sleep. Live life like Sahil. Yeah.
Don't feed your soul false hope.
I didn't know about this
No false hope, baby. It's all
layout that has to be passed huh
we get it all. The first part of the day and like we're trying to like get something to eat. This seems like does this seem like eating friendly to you guys? It's like it's like I don't know if you guys know of like Boca and Deardona, which are like nightclubs in Delhi. This is like a nightclub in Bombay but in the day because you get like baddies and bad men and like all of that. His name's Vijay Verma.
watermelon basil it's healthy I'm going to give it a nice 7 on 10 that's pretty good begin
Very good coffee. I rate it. It's an iced Jaggery Cortado, 6 on 10.
I like this is also smooth bro they've understood the palate
Balanced.
It's very balanced.
So, like, I think we have to figure out, like, how do we up the game? Especially the two non-Delhi born people also don't like Delhi benchers.
Sahil, there's no transition cafe to bar concept, but that's also because it's very hard. But that's what I'm saying. So these are the USPs.
Programming is not a problem for us. But वो briefing देनी पड़ेगी कि भैया scene बहुत अलग है यहाँ पे.
You don't agree with this, but I think you should do a separate social for Mumbai. It'll just do better for you, for your ability to target.
This 7 bro, good. I like it. Hello. See you night. See you, champ. Let's go.
Now you have to speak louder for the vlog, brother.
Darko used to talk about, I mean, used to work with number one secret artist, and used to work with the street art in Delhi, the Lodi art district, and there's also Tyler's work here, or Tyler Street Art, and I don't know how they like managed to put his work here, or if his work is in progress. We're gonna find out. We're gonna talk to the culinary director of this.
What is this?
Indri for you?
Yeah.
Indri on the rocks.
No, actually mine is the Kadak Nimbu Sharbat. Wait, so Darko is the one that's on that wall. Alright lads, cheers to new beginnings. Let's get this rolling. Continuation of fucking up my workout in the morning. Another sweetest drink in the house. See what it is.
I think he's too used to like people using the camera around him.
How's it, bro?
Let's go.
It's like yesterday's pina colada but thicker. Something is very bitter about it.
You like the thickness of it?
Talking about the alcohol.
Okay. Quick rating on the cocktail.
4 on 10. Yeah, it's like a pina colada of their take on it. Mahua colada.
And I like one.
He likes them thick, I like them sweet. The fuck is that? Bull's balls. But that cake, I just realized it's sitting on a cake. Okay, that changes the game a bit. And the custard. Majors workout, guys.
It's delicious.
Taste test. Review? What's the review?
The review, it's actually pretty good. I love the vibes.
On 10?
It really lives up to its name of Bandra. So this is what I
want a number, Kunal.
A number? This is
I like how the blue is reflecting off your head right now.
This
Nice.
is a solid
8? And La Loca for you was?
8.
8. Sahil, rating on 10?
This one, bro, I think it's a 6, bro. And that's
6?
Yeah.
Your La Loca rating was?
That was, for me, was 7.5, 8 now. Much better than this, bro.
7.5, 8.
Much better.
Okay, Bandrabon, you've averaged out a 7 between Kunal and Sahil.
It's okay to have a 2% recovery on days, right? And still be showing
Like today.
fucking up. Yes. Yeah, let's go.
And I'm
man.
happy because we had an amazing night last night.
Yes.
Be around good people who
Yes.
kind of, that's also part of the process.
Correct.
We are also in the process of building something,
Yeah.
and this is the fun part.
This
guys.
is the fun part.
We are not here
It's the
saying that
journey.
we're only going to be happy in the end, like
Correct.
after everything's done. We're literally enjoying every single moment of
It's a
it.
daily.
Yeah, when I say we build lifestyle stuff, in the Delhi circle, for example, they have a gym that they all go to, which they built themselves. They have the places where they eat, which they go to, which they've built themselves. They're the places where they go out and socialize with each other, which they've built themselves. And this is what they do for a living. So all of a sudden, the
this
lifestyle is
ecosystem,
really
yes.
an ecosystem lifestyle.
Correct. Which we're building for ourselves.
Yeah, and honestly, guys who are watching this, if you're young, guys and girls getting into your careers at any given point, actually, you're so talented even at 16, 17, 18 nowadays, do message us, hit us up, tell us if you want to work with us, because
100%.
I wish I could connect with someone like us. I know that sounds a little bit weird, but like
5 years
someone
ago.
on this
10
headspace.
years ago. Yeah.
If I could just join their team and just be a part of it and have fun working and have a completely different work mindset by today. But other than that, I think you'll have it figured out.
That's some fucking solid advice from Shomik Shetty right there. Follow Shomik Shetty vlogs. We drop his email ID also here. Whoever wants to be working in the multiple cool ventures that he's building, hit him up.